Laplace transform. If f of t is a real value function defined for all t is greater than or equal to 0, then Laplace transform of f of t denoted by L f of t is defined by f bar of s equal to L f of t equal to integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t into dt. L of a equal to integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus st into a dt. A is outside. Integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus st into dt. A of integration of e raised to minus st with respect to dt is e raised to minus st divided by minus s with the limits 0 to infinity. Applying limits we get minus a by s 0 minus 1 equal to a divided by s. Next one, L of e raised to at. L of e raised to at equal to integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus st into e raised to at dt. Integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus s minus a dt into dt. Applying the integration we get e raised to minus of s minus a into t divided by minus s minus a with limits 0 to infinity. Applying these limits we get 0 minus 1 divided by 1 minus s minus a equal to 1 divided by s minus a. Third one, L of cos h at. L of cos h at equal to L of e raised to at divided by 2 plus e raised to minus at divided by 2 equal to 1 by 2 is outside. L of e raised to at plus L of e raised to minus at. 1 by 2, 1 divided by s minus a plus 1 divided by s plus a. Since L of e raised to at equal to 1 divided by s minus 1 by 2 s plus a plus s minus a divided by s minus a into s plus a. 1 by 2 by simplifying we get 1 by 2 2s divided by s square minus a square equal to s divided by s square minus a square. Fourth one, L of sin h at. L of sin h at equal to L of e raised to at minus e raised to minus at divided by 2. 1 by 2 take outside. L of e raised to at minus L of e raised to minus at. By applying 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 divided by s minus a minus 1 divided by s plus a. By simplifying we get a divided by s square minus a square. Fifth one, L of cos at. L of cos at equal to integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus st cos at into dt. Integration of e raised to at cos bt dt equal to e raised to at divided by a square plus b square a of cos bt plus b of sin bt. L of cos at equal to e raised to minus st divided by minus of s square plus a square into minus s cos at plus a of sin at with the limits 0 to infinity. 1 divided by s square plus a square take outside. E raised to minus st minus of s cos at plus a of sin at with limits 0 to infinity. By applying these limits we get 1 divided by s square plus a square 0 minus e raised to 0 into minus of s cos 0 plus a of sin 0. We get s divided by s square plus a square. Sixth one, L of sin at. L of sin at equal to integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus st sin at dt. Using the formula integration of e raised to at sin bt dt equal to e raised to at divided by a square plus b square into a of sin bt minus b of cos bt. L of sin at equal to e raised to minus st divided by minus s square plus a square minus sin at minus a of cos at with the limits 0 to infinity. Take 1 divided by s square plus a square outside. We get e raised to minus st s into sin at plus a of cos at with limits 0 to infinity. Applying the limits minus 1 divided by s square plus a square 0 minus a and a divided by s square plus a square.